This is feedback for Hajri. First of all, font and format. Take out these first few zeros. This should be Times New Roman. This is not Times New Roman. It should be double space. You need to watch the video on formatting. This is not okay. This is not academic. You don't just cross things out and write it by hand. Missing the page number. VT means verb tense. This is the wrong verb form. It should be either past tense or maybe since it's plural subject, it should have a plural verb following it. So arrow means a word is missing between here. And you have no thesis. So that automatically makes this fail already. Other things, topic sentences not direct. It should be the first, reason or cause of the first main effect of car accidents is blank. Grammar-wise, you have very few periods. You have all these commas in here, and that is not really good at all. In this paragraph, you have too many points in one paragraph, and here at the end, you give advice, which should be in the conclusion. So you need to follow that format like we did in class. Topic sentence, point support, point support, point support, concluding sentence, and put transitions between all of them. WW means wrong word. You didn't write the right word here. This is not a paragraph. This is not going to fly. You got to make some major changes to this. You need to write this essay. Same thing with this. You need to reverse your topic sentence and then give some advice and some predictions. Make the changes, put it in portfolio WR1 week 7.